Hey, of course, you can't fight by this. You don't fight. This is what you do.
I'm supposed to wait for Dr. Oti or we can start.
You know that the bees also like. Have you tasted palm wine before? Yes. Have you seen the bees around palm wine before? Correct. So it's one of their plants old broken tables, so we can use them. So you have to put the stand like this to mark the locations of the four legs, right? And then you remove it. So when you remove, you put the big top, the stand, and now fix your containers on those locations or the marks that you have made. Also, these containers are too small. It has to be big. Normally, the big tomato can. That one, the entrance is large. So when the ants climb and get into it, they cannot jump or they cannot climb onto the legs of the stand. But for now, we'll use this one. Eventually, you have to come and change it again. So now we try it again and see if it falls into. Right? It has to be, all the legs has to be at the center of the can, of each can. Here to at the center of it. So you make sure it's just at the center. This can is giving me trouble. All of them should be at the center of the tent. So,
Can we ask questions as we move on, or we should allow it to finish?
No, they can't. Let's in.
correct.
Any of
Move this one. The problem with the cans is not big enough. So now we fill all the cans with water, just as it is. So now when the ants get here, they either fall into the water or they go back. They cannot, especially these small ones, they cannot climb onto this one. But when it's that big one, black, big, long, yeah, they can get onto it. That is why every day you have to come and check and clean the box and check if there are ants inside. Remove it and bait it again with the hand or the wax. And so this is the entrance of the hive. This is where the bees are going to pass and get to whatever bait you have put, if it is the honey or the wax. You always have to make sure that there are no debris or any foreign material in the box. So you take out all the covers. One by one, there's a spider inside. The outside. If there are some spider webs in any corner of it, like And make sure that no insect or spider is hiding in any part of the hive or the corners. Because after it all, if you are done with all these things and there is a single insect, it means that all the work that you have done is going into
bogus. Costate.
So can you bring inside with insects after doing no, before you bring the bees.
To you guys. These are the top bars, and that is why the hive name is Kenyan top bar. It is originating from Kenya, and that is why the name Kenyan top bar hive. So these are the top bars. We just arrange them like this. So one by one, you pick the top bars, and you use your beating material. This is honey, a sample of honey, and this is a wax. I think I was using it at the faculty, and it was in the box. So this is a wax. You pick one by one each of the top bars and smear the wax on it like this. And make sure that there are debris on it like this. Pass it around. Just to make sure that the smell of the wax is still on it. So one by one, you do for all the top bars whilst you arrange them on the hive. So maybe each person will do one, like how I'm doing it, right?
Yes.
No, just one.
Do one.
Just make sure that there are some particles left on the wood. And the reason why we are doing it, you just have to be a platform above the top bar.